problem based on ages. So whatever is to be calculated, we need to first assume that. Since here we need to find the present ages, let us take the present ages of father to be X and the son to be Y. Now let's read the question. 2 years ago. So 2 years ago, father would be X minus 2 ago. So we need to subtract, and son would be Y minus 2. This is 2 years ago. So next, a father was 5 times. Father is X minus 2. Father was 5 times, that is multiplication, and as old as his son. Son is Y minus 2. So when we open the bracket, we get X minus 2 is equal to 5Y minus 10, or X minus 5Y is equal to minus 10 plus 2. When we interchange, the signs change. X minus 5Y is equal to minus 8. This is our first equation. Now, the next one, the next statement, 2 years later. So 2 years later, father would be X plus 2. We need to add, and son would be Y plus 2. This is 2 years later. Once we write them like this, we will not make any mistakes while framing the equation. So 2 years later, his age, that means father's age, that is X plus 2, will be, which means equal to 8 more, 8 plus, then 3 times the age of his son. 3 times the age of his son. Son is Y plus 2. So we get X plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 3 into Y is 3Y. 3 into 2 is 6. So X minus 3Y is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 2. On interchanging, the signs change. So X minus 3Y is equal to 8 plus 6, 14 minus 2 is 12. This is our second equation. Once we have the two equations, we can either apply elimination or substitution. The two equations being X minus 3Y is equal to 12 and X minus 5Y is equal to minus 8. So let us subtract the two equations. For that, we need to change the signs for the second expression. Plus X becomes X, minus 5Y becomes plus, and minus 8 becomes plus. So the change signs are the final signs for the second expression. So X minus X is 0. Minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2Y. 12 plus 8 is 20. So Y is 20 by 2, that is 10. Now to find X, we can substitute in any of the equation. Let us take this X minus 3Y equal to 12. So X minus 3 into Y is 10 equals 12. So X minus 30 is equal to 12. X equal to 12 plus 30, which is 42. So finally, the X is nothing but the present age of father. So father is 42 years and son is 10 years old. Thank you.